Folks, we're back and we got another special for you right here. We're going to run this car on a $795 starting down payment. This is a 2014 Chevy Malibu. It's an LT 2-pack. It's got the power driver's seat, the big touch screen, USB auxiliary line in. Nice car, folks. Icy cold AC, lightly tinted windows, upgraded chrome nose on her. $795 starting down, guaranteed credit approval. Fully serviced, safety inspected, and ready to hit the town, folks. 2 current paycheck stubs, a possible bank statement, 1 hour of your time. We are a platinum member of the Guaranteed Credit Approval Program. We can get you done. We do a lot of them. We do not mess around. Top in the city. Ask anyone. Do your research. This car is ready to go. 3-month, 4,500 miles over the service contract, Guaranteed Credit Approval Program. What else can you ask for? DasCleveland.com.